Hey everybody, it's Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. Welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, I hope you will consider sticking around and hit that subscribe button and also the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Here on my channel, I like to bring you the best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. So if you like videos like that, I hope you'll give this video a big thumbs up and come back for more. Today I am participating in a Nailed It or Failed It challenge put on by Mama Dares to DIY and Sweet Urban Rose. Their channels will be linked in the description box below, as well as the playlist. So once you finish watching my video, please go and watch the rest in the playlist and give all those fellow YouTube DIYers some love and let them know that Monarch Mom DIY sent you over. So the Nailed It and Failed It challenge, we were to find something on Pinterest, Wayfair, Kirkland's, somewhere like that, that we wanted to create for less money and do it ourselves. So once we get into the rest of this video, I will show you the item that I found online and then how I created it myself. So I hope, like I said, that you enjoy this video. If you're interested in more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you soon. So this is the item that I wanted to create my version of. I found it on Pinterest. I believe it was an eBay listing for $69.50. To make my version, I'm using a 12 by 48 inch board from Lowe's, some sticker letters, some month stickers, some clothespins, some furniture nails, and some jute twine. So the first thing I'm doing with my board is I'm going to give it a couple coats on the front with this Kills chalk paint in the color white. Now this board that I purchased at Lowe's was $10, a little less than $10. It is the most expensive thing that I purchased to create my version of this project. But of course, if you have a nice piece of scrap wood available to you, then that would bring the cost of this project down even more. So once I had my board all painted, I am taking a yardstick, and like I said, it's 48 inches, so I'm going to mark off 6 inches for the top, and then I'm going to mark off every 3.5 inches. That will give me a section at the top for my title, and then 3.5 inch space for each of my 12 months. To do the top, just because I had these on hand, I'm going to use these gold sticker letters, and I'm going to spell out family celebrations. So here I'm using my little tip of putting the sticker letters on the ruler and then sticking them down on the sign so that you can get your letters or your word centered as best as possible. Other options for doing your title would be if you have a Cricut or another type of vinyl cutting machine, you could make whatever wording you wanted for the top. In other videos, I've also printed out words from Google Images or just using Word and then transferring those words to the wood and filling them in like with a paint marker. So there's lots of different ways you can create this, whether you're using stickers or vinyl or stencils even, or even just free writing it with a paint marker. So here I've got my word family, and I'm centering that on the board and then just sticking the stickers down and then you're going to kind of pull the ruler out. These letter stickers were very sticky, so once you get them how you want them, you can just stick those down. So here I have the word family, and then I'm going to also add the word celebrations under that, making sure it all fits in that 6-inch section. I decided I wanted to make my board look a little more rustic, so I'm taking my Waverly Antique Wax and just kind of lightly doing some brush strokes around the edges and then some in the middle. Once I finished doing the brush strokes, I took a paper towel and just kind of removed the excess. If you want to do your board a different color, keep it the solid, you can do that whatever you want. That's the great thing about this project, is you can modify it and make it fit your decor style and whatever color scheme you have going on. I did also take that antique wax color and go around the two long side edges and the top and the bottom edges of my board, and then wipe away the excess just to give it a little bit more of a finished look. And to make sure that my sticker letters stayed on and didn't peel off, I took part of a sponge foam brush and I'm just dabbing some matte finish Mod Podge over the sticker letters. And here's what it looks like once the Mod Podge was completely dry. So next you can see my board is about 11 inches wide, and I'm just double checking my markings. This is just the very first string that's going to go across. You can see that I'm going to use 2 furniture nails for each month, and then the jute twine. I did not nail these down all the way to the board so that there was room to tie the jute twine behind. I wrapped it around both nails and then tied a knot. Next, I'm taking my month title stickers, and here you can see how once I had the jute twine, I laid the stickers down to mark off each of the months. And then once I have that, you'll take your clothespins and whatever you need for your family, for birthdays, anniversaries, you can write the number at the top of the clothespin and then whose birthday it is. So this is what it looks like. I haven't written the dates on mine yet, but I'm super excited for how this turned out. You can see here just how tall it is. It is 48 inches tall. Probably I will not hang this on the wall, but just lean this against a wall. As a reminder, here is the inspiration for my project. This one measures 35 inches tall and was $69.50. Mine is a whole 13 inches taller at 48 inches. My version of this project cost me about $15. The board was $10, the clothespins were $1, the month stickers were $1.50, and the nails were about $2. So what do you guys think? Did I nail this dupe or did I fail it? Let me know in the comments. And again, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and check out the other videos in the playlist. See you soon.